Reading Pioneers is proud to present Granny's Cat, written and created by Jessica Parkin, illustrated by Philip Reed. This is Charlie. This is Daddy. This is Mummy. This is me, Tilly. This is Granny Vi. This is Grandpa Joe. This is Marmaduke. I love Marmaduke. Marmaduke always runs away when I try to stroke him. One day, I crept up and tried to stroke him while he was sitting down. Marmaduke scratched my arm and made me cry. My arm hurt, and I cried a lot. Grandpa Joe gave me a cuddle to make me feel better. Grandpa Joe told me Marmaduke was a shy cat. He suggested we should go together. Marmaduke did not see us creeping into the room. Grandpa Joe picked up Marmaduke and put him on his lap while I waited behind the sofa. When Marmaduke fell asleep, Grandpa Joe let me stroke him. Marmaduke woke up, but he did not run away. I was happy, and I went to tell Granny Vi. She gave me a nice cake to eat. I still can't catch Marmaduke. I hope Grandpa Joe will help me again next time I visit. Coming soon, Tilly's visit to the seaside. Thank you, Pioneers, for reading along with us today to the story Granny's Cat by Jessica Parkin. Tilly learns about how to be nice to her grandma's pet cat, Marmaduke. I'm more of a dog person, but this story was cute and shows how pets can be nice despite a bad first impression. If you're interested in reading more of Jessica Parkin's books, you can check out her website and even Facebook page where there are at least 5 books waiting to be read. Links for these are in the description box down below. If you would like to get your book read on this channel, please send me an email, contact@readingpioneers.com. It would also be awesome to click the thumbs up button if you enjoyed the story, share the video with friends and family, and finally subscribe and click the notification bell to stay updated with future uploads by Reading Pioneers. While waiting for the next upload, you can check out the playlist on the left of other videos by rising authors. And on the right is another of Jessica Parkin's books that may interest you. This is it for today's video though, so thanks again everyone for reading with us, and until next time, I hope you all have an amazing day. Bye-bye.